Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. They'll also get emailed a written tutorial. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called Sun Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, we are making an impossible card. And if you don't know what impossible card is, then stay tuned. The colors in the kit may vary because I'm using up some of the retired papers. Hope you don't mind. They're still gorgeous. Now there's scoring lines in these card bases that I'm giving you. So you score the longest one with your bone folder, and the short ones you're going to cut. Then you're going to go back in with your bone folder and you're going to crease the middle score line. And then, this is the impossible part, you flip one side. And then when you look at the card, you're like, hello, how has that even happened? It's impossible. Anyway, so these white pieces I have scored as well, so that you don't even have to think about measuring at all. It's all done for you. All you need to do is grab a pair of scissors, and I know everybody has a pair of scissors in their home, and cut away. Then you can set it on the card and check everything out. Isn't that neat? There is a little strip that goes across the front. All right, so I'm using the stamp set Detailed with Love and Timeless Textures, along with the brand new Granite Gray. It is beautiful. So the Timeless Textures has this grungy kind of worn image, and I am stamping off twice and then just doing it along the sides. I just felt, I mean, you could use whatever background stamp that you have. You could use circles, dots, flowers, whatever rocks your boat. Here I've just stamped off once, and then I'm trying to grunge up. I don't want it to be too grungy, but I want it slightly grungy, if that makes any sense. So the Detailed with Love has a bundle. Not only is it has this beautiful thank you sentiment and a lot other sentiments, it comes with this trio punch, and you're going to be able to get it at a discounted price when you use the Detailed with Love and that special trio punch. Can't remember what the trio punch is called. So this is the tiny, I guess it's a flower, and it kind of matches up with the punch. So this is linen thread, and I decided to use linen thread on my project, and I didn't include it in the kit because A, this is all I have left, and B, I didn't know what you were gonna do, what stamp set you're gonna do. You might have something, excuse me, you might have something that is completely different. And I left it up to you to decide. So as you see, I've sped through the bow tying part because whenever you tie a bow on camera, it doesn't work out. So I just skim over it anyway. And it was a bit loose, so I just cut off a little bit there. Adding dimensionals to the back of this piece because it's got that punch out there, and I like the fact that it's got a little window. For whatever reason, I like being able to see the light in behind. Really cute, right? All right, so now I'm using my fast fuse, and I'm just going to stick that white piece right up against the score line and leaving a little bit of an edge. Now, this is the reason why I made this out of Whisper White card, and I didn't include the linen thread, basically, because you can use this as a template. Because I'm super awesome and was thinking ahead, and I know a lot of my customers are getting this kit because they got on my paper share. So of course they're going to have a ton of paper hanging around, and wouldn't it be really nice if a demonstrator thought ahead and said, huh, I wonder if they'd like to use their pattern paper for this project and have projects to keep on doing it. Like, hello. Anyway, I thought it was brilliant and it would be really helpful. So I'm not going to use the template because I know how to make the template, but you know, like sometimes doing that fussy business of cutting, it can be a little trying. I don't like math much. All right, so here's that little piece and a strip of cardstock that matches. You want to make sure this is even, but you also want to make sure that the card hasn't wrangled out. So you're going to make sure that all the sides are square. And then it doesn't flip like that, and people are like, huh, how did you do that? It's impossible. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. That's my card kit for this month. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.